Risa Ontiveros. Ito po, si Congressman Risa Ontiveros po ay tumistigo kaugnay ng complaint letter na isinumiti niya sa Ombudsman. Nakasaad po sa liham ang iba't ibang bank accounts na ng pag-aari ng Chief Justice Renato Corona. 18 accounts po mula sa 2 bangko ang nabanggit dito sa sulat na ito. Ito po ay mula sa BPI at PS Bank. Inilahad din sa kanyang testimonya itong mga amounts nitong mga bank accounts o bank deposits ng punong mahistrado. Inamin naman ni Congresswoman Ontiveros na ang mga ebidensya o ang mga bank accounts at mga amounts na ito na kanyang inilahad dito sa liham niya kay Ombudsman Morales ay mula naman po sa mga ebidensya na nakalap dito sa loob ng impeachment trial. At ito na po ang susunod ng testigo ng depensa, Harvey Ke, isa rin po sa mga complainants sa Ombudsman.
Mr. Harvey Ke, please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in this impeachment proceeding?
I do.
So help you God.
So help me God.
Good afternoon, Mr. Witness. Your Honor, this witness is hostile to the respondent, Chief Justice Corona, Your Honor. And for this purpose, we will prove that the witness, among others, initiated a complaint against Chief Justice Corona in the Office of the Ombudsman, alleging that said respondent owns real properties not declared in his SALN. If the witness, Your Honor, is so declared as hostile, we will impeach this witness in all respects by proving his bias and prejudice against CJ Corona, Chief Justice Corona, and his active involvement in a well-planned and orchestrated effort to destroy the reputation of Chief Justice Corona, intended to unreasonably weaken the defenses of Chief Justice in these proceedings and unduly sway and influence the decision of the Honorable Court. With the kind permission of the Court, Your Honor.
Well, you're presenting him as a hostile witness?
Yes, Your Honor, and I will establish first his hostility.
All right, qualify him?
Your Honor, may we make some comments on the offer?
Yes.
In the same way that we have admitted the fact that Ms. Risa Ontiveros is one of the complainants in the letter complaint that was filed before the Office of the Ombudsman, we will also admit that the witness, Mr. Harvey Ke, is one of the co-complainants of Ms. Risa Ontiveros in that letter complaint, Your Honor.
May we proceed, Your Honor?
Proceed.
Mr. Witness, please state your name and other personal circumstances for the record.
Good afternoon. I'm Harvey Ke. I currently am Director for Youth Leadership and Social Entrepreneurship at Ateneo de Manila University School of Government. I'm also Executive Director of the Acts of Hope for the Nation Foundation, the Interim Executive Director of the Asia Society Philippines Foundation, and also the lead convener of the Kaya Natin Movement for Good Governance and Ethical Leadership.
Mr. Witness, the Honorable Court issued a subpoena to you requiring you to bring documents. Do you have the documents with you?
The documents, the copies with Congresswoman Risa Ontiveros, original copies, sir.
You were required to bring with you the complaint, and the prosecution admitted the existence of the complaint. I'm just showing to you this copy of the complaint. Can you confirm if this is the complaint which you filed together with the other complainants? The witness going over the complaint, Your Honor. Let the record show.
May I speak, Your Honor?
Go ahead.
I'd just like to apologize in advance because I have cough, so I might cough in the middle of my testimony. To the Honorable Senator Judges, I'd like to apologize in advance. I'm sorry, boss. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Yes, this is the complaint that we filed together with Risa Ontiveros.
Do you confirm the admission of the prosecution that you are the same Harvey Ke who is the complainant in that particular complaint?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, all right. This complaint, if you will take a look at it, is against a certain Mr. Renato Corona. Is he the same person subject of the impeachment before this honorable court?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, Your Honor, this complaint which the witness reviewed and perused and which the prosecution admitted states that it is for the purpose of causing the immediate investigation and thereafter filing of appropriate cases against the respondent, Chief Justice Corona. With this, Your Honor, the defense respectfully moves that this witness be declared hostile.
Your Honor,
Is there any objection from the members of the court? Hearing that, the motion, the request of the prosecution, the defense to declare this witness to have an adverse interest against the respondent, Renato Corona, is granted, and he is so declared as a hostile witness.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Ke, this complaint makes references to these impeachment proceedings as well as the documents adduced herein. Have you been following the proceedings in this case?
Not regularly, Your Honor.
Not regularly. So you don't know what was happening during the intervals where you were not watching, you were not reviewing any taped
Your Honor,
testimonies?
may we request that the question be divided into parts? There are a number
No,
of
I'm
questions.
just asking, what portions have you watched?
I say not regularly, Your Honor, primarily because I cannot watch the whole afternoon, primarily because I have several jobs, as I have stated a while ago.
The complaint makes references to bank documents purporting to belong to Chief Justice Corona, which have been presented before this honorable court. Am I correct?
Can I review the document?
Yeah, please.
Yes, I believe so, Your Honor.
When these bank documents were presented before this honorable court, were you observing the proceedings then?
Yes, Your Honor.
So you are aware that there were officials from the banks mentioned in that complaint who testified before this honorable court about these bank documents which you attached in your complaint?
I was aware, but I did not watch the whole proceedings. I just read it from the newspapers, Your Honor.
All right. Very well. I noticed, Mr. Witness, in the complaint that you mentioned that Chief Justice Corona has apparently deposited multi-million amounts in several banks in pesos and in dollars. And to support this claim of yours, you made reference to PS Bank account number 089-191-0037-3 in an amount of US dollar 700K, open parenthesis, initial deposit, comma, October 31, 2008, close parenthesis, and Philippine Savings Bank, account number 089-1410-1630-5, amount US dollar 7,301, initial deposit April 16, 2007. Do you confirm this?
I confirm that it is stated in the complaint, Your Honor.
You failed, however, to mention in your complaint, Mr. Witness, that this honorable court disallowed the presentation of evidence on these accounts, is it not? Did you mention it in your complaint?
No, Your Honor.
The basis of these accounts are bank reference cards that were presented here before the Senate Impeachment Court and have been declared by PS Bank President Pascual Garcia to be of dubious authenticity because it contains 42 points of discrepancies. Am I correct?
Your Honor, the counsel is impeaching the witness through the testimony of another witness.
No, exactly, Your Honor. I am impeaching this witness by contradictory evidence. The rules allow this.
The question, the objection is not granted.
Okay. Answer the question, Mr. Witness, please.
Can you repeat the question?
These accounts were based on reference cards of dubious authenticity as testified here by PS Bank President Pascual Garcia because it contains 42 points of discrepancies. And you did not mention that in your complaint with the Ombudsman, am I correct?
Can I confirm with my lawyer first?
What is there to confer to? The document is right there in front of you. All you have to do is look at it and check if you made that allegation in your complaint or not.
In that case, Your Honor, we invoke the best evidence rule and the document
Let the
speaks
witness
for
answer.
itself.
Your Honor, I am impeaching the witness. He can review the documents. He can state there if he made that allegation or not.
Your Honor, we did not make reference to the points that PS Bank President Garcia made.
Very well. All right. Having presented these documents to the Ombudsman, are you in a position to authenticate these documents before the Ombudsman?
No, Your Honor.
You're not. You're not an employee of PS Bank, am I correct?
No, Your Honor.
You were not even present when these bank documents were opened, is it not?
No, Your Honor.
Are you the source of these documents which the prosecution presented here? Are you the small lady who gave the documents to Congressman Umali?
No, Your Honor.
Are you the mysterious messenger who left the documents in the house of Congressman Banal?
No, Your Honor.
You are not. All right. The fact is, Mr. Witness, the examination and inquiry of these dollar accounts are prohibited under the Foreign Currency Deposit Act, Republic Act 6426. And due to this, PS Bank was able to obtain a temporary restraining order restraining any such examination or inquiry. And this Honorable Impeachment Court voted to respect the action of this